Hey friends, so take control of your income and your taxes all at the same time. So if you're an employee and you depend on your income from your job, you don't have any control over the amount of tax you're going to owe, and you don't have any control over the income that you're going to make. That's all decided upon for you by somebody else. And so zero control equals highest risk possible, because the two have an inverse relationship. So if you're going to have a job for your income, you should change whatever the name is of your job title to professional gambler or professional risk taker, something like that. You get the idea. So for people that want to learn something beyond what you already know, getting outside of that box that maybe somebody built for you, or maybe a box that you built for yourself, whatever it is that you know now, get out of that and be eager to learn something way beyond what you already know. And maybe even criticize maybe just a few of the things that you do know, because maybe they're not really helping you out very much. So this new learning experience, I recommend learn about passive income, learn about residual income, learn about being a small business owner. I built my small business online, almost exclusively on Facebook, and I came into it with no skill, no talent, no social connections, no nothing. Just an eagerness to get outside of that box of whatever it is I thought I knew and learn something new. That's all it was. It didn't matter. I didn't have any time, didn't have any money or any income, or a past that was riddled with just stupidity in my life. None of that stuff mattered. All I knew is that I wanted to learn, and I wanted to be a free human being and actually take control over my life. Because when you take control over your taxes and your income, and you're taking care of your health, natural healing, then it opens up levels of personal freedom that you maybe didn't have before, that you for sure didn't have before. So I look at it as you got a birth date and a death date, and you got one singular dash in between those two dates. And what is that dash going to look like when you come to the end of your life and you reach your death date? So I want my dash to look like a life of personal freedom where I achieved by bringing others with me rather than doing nothing, or achieving by keeping others back. So that's why I'm so obsessed with the coolness of being a business owner and getting into residual and passive income, because most business owners are not doing anything for passive and residual income. Therefore, they're actually a bigger slave to the dollar than people with a job. So if you have a job, there is somebody who has it worse than you, believe it or not. It is the life of the average self-employed person. They have it worse than you. So it's not enough to be a self-employed business owner. You have to learn about residual and passive income. It is the only income quality that separates how you spend your time from your paycheck, which means you're a free human being. I hope that makes sense and gives you some things to think about and look up and research and learn about. And if you want to see what I've been doing since 2007, I can't believe it's been that long, but if you want to see what I've been doing, feel free to let me know. I'm happy to share with you a blog I typed about it, or a video, whatever you want. And it's all about natural health and natural healing and residual and passive money. So if you want to see what I've been doing since 2007, I'm happy to show you. You just let me know. And share this video if you want to. I certainly love it when great ideas get shared, whether they're my ideas or somebody else's. And by the way, these ideas I'm espousing, they're not even my ideas. I just borrowed them from other people before me that had them way before me. So feel free to share it. Sharing great ideas, you never know where it's going to land, where it needs to land, where it can really help somebody. And if you want to drop your comments below this video, questions or your own experience or 2 cents you want to add to it, feel free to add to whatever I've been talking about, whatever this video is about. Bye for now, everybody. Mwah. Make out kisses.